Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the half an inch 24 teeth Topway socket ratchet drive wrench. So quite a long name, guys. So this is what it comes in. I've already seen this before, and we bought this brand new. Bear this in mind, brand new, and it cost me £9. So it's not that expensive, but that's the going price for this anyway. So yeah, when I did open it up first time, I was quite annoyed because it's meant to be brand new. Remember this. So what it looks like to me is this is a returned product, because if you look here, it's very dirty. You got black marks everywhere. It's not even grease, it's black marks, like it's been used in a garage before. You can't actually see it very well because of the flash, but got black marks everywhere. Do you know, like mud marks, like dirt marks? They're literally all over. Got some there, got some there, got some there. Literally around the whole thing, like they've been used before. So this is definitely not new. I will be returning this after I use it, and then buying a proper one, or maybe even I might even just buy the same one again from the same brand. Hopefully they won't be idiots this time. I'll tell them, send me a new one, don't take the piss, because we did pay for a new one, and if we're getting a used one, you can't let people walk over you like that for no reason, because end of day, we don't know how long this has been used for, because these do have a certain amount of life on them. That's why they got teeth. So they've got teeth inside, which is for this one has 24. So inside there, we don't know how it's been used, if it's been used properly, if it's been dropped or nothing. So yeah, we'll be sorting that out, I guess. So yeah, so the way you put tools on and take it off is through this. So to put it in, you push that down. Can you see that that come out there? So yeah, you put your socket on the end of that, which we have there. So what the main reason about this is for tightening wheels, undoing bolts and wheels, because we're not going to use the breaker bar to do the whole thing, I guess. So when you use this to untighten it, you can go forward and backwards with this. You reverse it, so then instead of this way, you go this way, or whichever way you want. Okay, so you got the brand name there, Topway. So yeah, it's pretty cheap, but oh yeah, this is very heavy, by the way. So it's been made out of steel, chrome vanadium steel. So most of these tools are made out of that. So they're very heavy, sturdy, heavyweight, and very sturdy, and they're built to last pretty much. But the only bad thing on this is all the dirt, and yeah, we don't know how it's been used. The teeth might be going in the inside. So yeah, you can see how dirty that is. Okay now, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna clean it anyway, because we're gonna have to touch everything. So yeah, tell me, guys, would you get annoyed by that, or is it just me being OCD? I'd get annoyed. Well, I am annoyed. So yeah, we'll be returning that. I'll also be complaining because we did pay for something new. It's like ordering brand new shoes and getting them muddy. You buy a brand new pair of shoes and they come muddy. Do you know what I mean? You didn't pay for that. You paid for a brand new product. So yeah, we'll use it for this job and then return it and buy a new one, either from the same brand. Depends how this brand responds to me first of all. If they be dickheads, I wanna obviously not buy it off them. I'm gonna buy a different one, even if it costs me a bit more. But yeah, it is what it is. Guys, just before I end the video, look, just give it a wipe with a bit of, this is dry as well. This is just dry mud. If I was to use a liquid or something to clean it, it would be a lot worse. So just look how much dirt has come off. It's like a, do you know, from alloys you get the dirt off the road. That's pretty much what it is. That's what it looks like, or mud. So yeah, this is definitely not new, as you can tell. Not very good, is it, guys? So yeah, anyways guys, thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.